third gear, and go. Hello to everybody. Today I have a really special car, as you can guess. This is the Lexus LC500 V8 naturally aspirated engine with 471 horsepower, and this is also the cabrio version. But in today's videos, this is enough for now for speaking, because I will let the V8 speak for me. Okay, enjoy the ride. Oh, this sound. But I love the most the downshift. One more downshifting. This car, guys, sounds amazing, really. And I just noticed, when you have in the sport mode, you can when the car slows down, he makes downshifting from itself, but when you floor it, you must change the gears up. So I have now fourth gear, downshifting, third gear, and go. Very beautiful and smooth. The gear changes. This has a 10 gears automatic, I think. Oh, the quality is really amazing. They've done a very nice job here. And this is the way the car is very heavy. I think 1.9 tons. So I never tried this, but I will try now to make the car when we are driving. Instead, when we're driving, we make cabrio. Let's see. Yes, it happens, but yes, as you can see, we can do this. And now I will drive cabrio. Now I am inside of a small city, and I think I will drive in comfort. I want to see how it is. But I mean it really, the quality is amazing. Everything in this car. And also the position that you're sitting is very nice. Really, you are sitting here very, very comfortably. Wow. Now we will drive again on the highway, and I will close the roof because it's better. It's not so much sound.